I'm Ashish Madan. I'm part of the Energy and Utilities vertical of Mahindra Satyam. My key role is to handle client relationships for our oil and gas customers in Americas. Mahindra Satyam is a global IT services company, part of the larger Mahindra Group. Mahindra Group has operations in about 100 countries with about 150,000 employees, presence in 18 key industry segments. It is basically a lot of global companies tied together with a common purpose, which is to enable our clients to rise. That's what differentiates us when we work with our customers. Each and every employee of Mahindra Satyam is driven by the three tenets of RISE, which is accepting no limits, alternative thinking, and driving positive change. So energy is a part of our everyday lives. Energy is tightly coupled with the global economy. The developing nations like India, China, Brazil are putting a lot of pressure on the oil companies. The demand for energy is on the rise. There's a lot of investment happening in the upstream sector, particularly in the exploration space. The unconventionals like the shale oil, the shale gas, have totally transformed the business dynamics in the past few years. In a way, they've brought in a revolution in a way we wouldn't have even imagined a few years ago. The refining sector, which had few rough years, is also turning around. The refining margins this year and beyond are almost double than what we saw in the last few years. It's a very exciting time to be in this industry. We have close to 35 oil and gas customers worldwide. The top 4 oilfield services companies are our clients. The top 3 of the top 5 E&P companies are our clients as well. Some of the key business challenges today oil and gas clients are facing are rising operating costs. That's putting a lot of pressure on the margins. There's a lot of NPT, a non-productive time, which affects the operating margins. Another key area is the scarcity of skilled workforce. That's the big crew change happening due to the aging workforce in the industry. Another one which I can think of is the regulatory pressures. There's a lot of renewed focus on health, safety, and environment. Another area which is affecting is the constant standardization drive of the IT systems, because there's a lot of M&A activity, which is a very inherent part of the oil and gas industry. We're seeing that energy clients have a inherent need to work in a more agile and adaptable models. That's where the Pega's predictive, innovative platforms and Mahindra Satyam's deep industry knowledge in oil and gas comes together to help our energy clients. We are building a solution for our client on using Pega's predictive platform. This helps maintenance staff to predict when a particular equipment or asset is projected to fail. This enables them to take proactive actions on the operating envelopes or taking preventive maintenance and preventing the failure of the equipment. This increases the reliability of their global assets dramatically and also reduces the risk and increases the bottom line. The second example I have is on the refining sector. With the margins almost double than what we had in the previous few years, there's absolutely no scope for downtime. We have a solution for our clients where we've been able to help them complete their annual turnarounds much quicker than planned. We've been able to deliver almost 20 to 30% savings in the turnaround times. This has benefited them in reducing cost and increasing their revenues, because they're, by the virtue of getting the plants back online much quicker. Mahindra Satyam and Pega have been partners for over a decade now. We have a large center of excellence on Pega solutions. We've been part of the innovation journey and the transformation journey which Pega has led over the years. Mahindra Satyam's deep knowledge on oil and gas business and Pega's innovative platform is changing the way oil and gas customers are solving their business problems.